Welcome to our Ultra at Home PowerUP Facial. We're going to start by jumping straight into it. So you're going to begin by pre-cleansing. You use your Soothing Eye Makeup Remover and your B² Micellar Solution to remove your eye makeup and your foundation, etc. as your first cleanse. You are then going to follow with your second cleanse using your hydrating milk or balancing gel cleanser, whatever is best suited to your skin. Now the exciting part, customizing your exfoliation with our gentle exfoliating gel and your even skin tone smoothing serum. This is a way to power up or boost your home care in the absence of your in-treatment peels. This allows you to manually exfoliate while also putting the AHAs like lactic acid, citric acid and your BHA salicylic acid into play to really break down those dead skin cells and to help then slough off. So you can see here Rebecca is creating this little concoction and mixing it together. Massage this into the skin in upwards and circular motions. Now you are going to thoroughly remove this with a damp cloth. You can use a muslin cloth, a fibrella, a clean face washer or a pair of cotton rounds. Completely up to you. Let's move on to the mask. So you can use your replenishing, your energizing or your purifying mask as you can see here. What you can do with these is mix in your B² hydrating serum to add an extra punch to those masks. Mix that up using 2 pumps of B², combine that together and apply in a thick layer to the skin. Leave this onto the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. If you're using a replenishing mask, you are more than welcome to leave this on overnight, and as always, thoroughly remove. So now you can see Rebecca here is moving on to her finishing products like the balancing skin mist, eye cream, so on and so forth. Just a few little disclaimers for this facial. If you are one that uses the dual microfoliant, best to not add in the even skin with this one. The vitamin C is going to provide enough active action for that. In saying that, if you do use this exfoliant, you are more than welcome to use the even skin in your mask rather than the B². If you are loving this facial, this is something you can do once a week. If you find that your skin is tolerant to it, you can do it up to 3 times weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy the facial. Much love, the Bremwood team.